In this video, we'll walk you through 5 different ways to recover deleted photos from Android without root. Part 1. How to recover deleted photos from Android SD card without root. When data loss happens to your SD card, you can use Coolmuster Lab phone for Android to recover deleted photos from Android without root. Step 1. Download and launch Coolmuster Lab phone for Android on your computer, then select the SD card recovery mode. Insert your SD card into an SD card reader on your computer, then click Next to continue. Step 2. Select your inserted SD card and then click Next to start the scanning. Step 3. The lost files including photos, videos, audios, and documents on your SD card will be scanned out quickly. Click Photos to preview and select the desired files, then click Recover. Part 2. How to recover deleted photos from Android without root and computer. If you want to recover deleted files from an unrooted Android phone without a PC, here are the possible solutions. 2.1. Recover deleted photos from Android without root from Trash Bin. Many Android phones have a trash bin feature from which you can find your recently deleted photos. The detailed steps may be slightly different according to Android brands. Step 1. Open your Photos app on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon on the top right of the screen and select Trash Bin. Step 3. Locate the photos that you want to recover and tap Recover. 2.2. Restore deleted photos from Android without root from Android Backup. If you have enabled backup before losing your photos, you can easily restore them without root. The exact steps may vary depending on your device brand: Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, etc. But here's a general guide. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Accounts and Backup or System Backup on some devices. Step 3. Choose Restore Data or Backup and Restore. Step 4. Select the backup file that contains your deleted photos. Step 5. Confirm and restore the photos to your device. 2.3. Recover deleted photos from Android without root through Google Photos. If you have created a backup for your important photos before they are lost, you can restore the deleted items from the trash. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner and tap Trash. Step 3. Select the photos that you want to recover and tap Restore. 2.4. Retrieve deleted photos from Android without root via DiskDigger Photo or File Recovery. DiskDigger Photo or File Recovery is a powerful Android photo recovery app that can recover deleted photos from your internal memory or memory card. With the basic scan mode, you can recover deleted photos without root, but note that this can only scan the cache and thumbnails. The recovered photos are of low quality. Step 1. Click here to download DiskDigger and open it on your Android phone. Step 2. To recover deleted photos without root, select the Search for Lost Photos mode. Step 3. After scanning, find the photos that you want to restore, then tap Recover.